see, I think almost everything is ready. Let's see. So, and let's take the chat from there to there. Yeah, everything seems to be good. Hello there. Why is it still loading? Alright, we're good to go. Close that. Alright. Live. There we are. Crazy. I should actually update the current progress. That's not anymore the case. Okay, I can do that real quick. Oh no, I moved the mouse. I should actually fix that kind of maybe now. So we'll take this. Oh wow, look at that. That sounds pretty good. No, that's not good. Can I just leave that? No, I will take a new one. That's so bad. I'll just record a new one. Stop that. Yeah, that's probably good. Let's see. Should probably be able to put that on the screen. Let's see. Where did it go? Should have gone into there. No, not there. Then it's here. And I wanted this one. Hide it opens here. There. Oh. Yeah. That can work pretty good. So then I could change out the current progress.
Stream.
Oh yeah, I forgot already. Wait, I'm just gonna change out the current progress to the latest. Wait, what happened? I can't see. Ah, subscribed. Ah, hello. Thank you for the subscribe. I don't know. Why doesn't it show anywhere else but in the thingy? Wait. I should probably not be.
It's just weird like that.
Okay, this is the one. Trust me, bro. I hope I got put up the right thing. I cannot see what happened. Oh, the chat. Brother. There. That's the wrong one. Oh my god. Why is everything so tiny? Wait, what's the day today? It should be that one, isn't it? What order? Oh no, wait. No, I want 2026. Where's the 22? Am I in the right folder? I'm in the right folder. 2026. Ah, there they are. I should probably remove the old ones because this is horrendous trying to navigate. Open. Okay. There! Wow, look at that. Now it's covering my face. That's awesome. Let's move myself a little bit. Why do I... It's like I managed to get Arch Linux, but I cannot use OBS. That's fucking crazy. That's crazy. Anyways, okay, now I can put on the stream in Discord as well. Okay, now I could also we could go into here quickly and just see. Can I see the latest feed? I want to know who subscribed when I couldn't see. Crazy stuff. Great, I cannot see it. What? Is it real? Why doesn't it show? Well, anyways, thank you so much. I cannot see it. Let's see, I want to be over here. Yeah, here's the plan. The plan is still on. Okay, so we can actually now... I would like to fix my damn multi-cursor. Because they're still fucked. But I don't know how to fix it though. Maybe I'm just using them wrong. Yeah, okay, now I remember. I'm supposed to do this. We left off at this point in the draw. And then go to that one. And in here, I would like to... Yeah, I was thinking I probably have to move this out from here and pass it in if I want to store it locally. Or I could also store it in the renderer if that would make sense as self and just store them as null. That wouldn't be too crazy. It would be kind of crazy, but not too crazy. Maybe even cleaner. What else am I taking in over here? I'm still thinking parameters for some reason. Oh, they will make me popular over at Twitch. That's crazy. I mean, Kick. That's crazy. That would be crazy, so crazy. Anyways, I think I will take them as parameters. That makes more sense. Last pipeline, last material, and the last buffer. And okay, I think that makes most sense, and that's what I will do. Harold, did my Discord die?
Nope.
Okay, good.
You're just a schizo.
Well, but then I will have to... Ah. It's less work to not take them, and just make them a part of the rendered struct. That's less work. And if I want to change it, it's still like, it's fine. So then we can go to the top, and we can go like, is it like 33 lines down? Another 22 lines. Oh, that was 200. Whoopsie daisy. It is there. So in here, I guess they will be kind of more permanent. I will do another note. Maybe not stay, maybe not here. And then I will just put them there. Oops, wrong key. Okay, and we can also do this, then that. I did it wrong. And save that. And now we will store these in here. And then we can go back to draw this one. And we can just change this to... Yo, what's up, Damon? Could I change this just to self? Oops, what am I trying to do now? Rename self dot. Could that work? No, it doesn't. Server couldn't provide name. Okay, so then I will actually have to just do it like this. I was hoping not to. And it doesn't work either. Why? Come on. What if I just do this? That works. What can I just do? Is there just one? Oh, there is. Alright, because now what I want to do also is this. I want to take these ones back. So save that. And then go back up to this one. Now should be able to... Let's see, can I do self dot? No, of course I can. But now I should be able to do this and just do... Aha! Ah! Okay, my bad. We just have two. So let's try again. This, that, there, and how self dot that. Save it. And then the same goes for this one. There should just be two of these. So we show that. Next. that instance. Oopsie daisy, what the hell's going on? Okay, but how do I just, if I want this and I want to insert here? I have to press escape, that's so weird. Okay, so that should be fine. Now I should be able to draw. Ah, look at that. Still need to do this one as well. Where? Now I pressed again something. Damn it. Okay. Next one is escape and self. Okay. So in theory this should be all the same. But it's not. Oh, I might have done something weird here. Sig render 752. Yeah, obviously I did something. Root source struct has no member name. Yeah. Okay. I hope that's the only thing that got overwritten by accident.
I've been working on the railroad.
Have you?
And this one also got overwritten. Great. Jesus Christ. Why?
Overwritten?
Yeah, I accidentally pressed some wrong key bindings and the whole thing just... I overwrote most of the stuff in my code. Or not most. But yeah. Okay. Let's see. Please don't tell me there's anything else that's wrong now. And this one is also VK bind descriptor. Oh, I think I might have done lowercase everything by accident. I hope it's only in here. Oh no, that's not good. VK bind descriptor sets. Let's see. Can I just go all the way to here and just say, yeah, that one? Ah, great, I can. Ah, come on, you... How to... Fuck! Okay. Good. Anything else? No? Good, let's see. Oh, that's so weird. A valid Python point must be bound to VK command before... But that's weird, it shouldn't do anything if it... Okay. Just gonna confirm that was not because I overwrote by accident. Please. Why? Render object? Wait, what did I comment out? That's right there, I don't understand how it's... took the wrong thing. Ah, that's not it. But there should be two, which should get commented out. Yeah, I do 3 right now. Like so. Now render object, but now it should work. Else it's fucked because another reason. Okay, that's so weird. Because it shouldn't be able to... but it's... Right. I don't do that. Okay, wait. Oh, I see why. How could I not see that? I was so fixated on what their thing should just work, but yeah, of course not. Let's see. Because both of them will be nulled in the beginning, and then I'm asking... No, wait, this can... The first one cannot be... Why would the first one be null? Self last material. Render object material instance. Null. Well, it shouldn't be equal to the same. Both of them cannot be null. That's just weird if it happens to be. What? gets the first render object, then it checks if that instance is not equal to null, which should be true, so it should take that one. And then it should check the pipeline. The pipeline should also not be null. Because otherwise we would have big issues if that was the case. So I'm not really understanding why it's breaking. That's strange, that's strange. Because I shouldn't have a null, and if I had a null then it should also break in the original one. It obviously doesn't do that, so obviously I'm wrong. Last index, command bind. Yeah, and this one is then the global one, yeah. Into reference. Do I do any other drawing somewhere? No. So I shouldn't be able to have errors from anywhere else. No, that's the only rendering stuff. And begin. Well, that's a funny. Very funny, very funny. Not really. It's horrible. Why do I call it structure? Well, whatever, I call it structure for some funny reason. Let's see. Yeah, I do allocate the structure, but that's okay. I don't understand. It shouldn't be like this. My thinking is wrong. Okay. So GC. So it gets in here. It gets the materials to the render instance. If it's not null, change the material instance to be this, and now it's not null. Then if it's not a null, if this, well, obviously. That was the problem. Okay, let's try again. Well, kinda did not work. Okay, but something is better. Draw pipeline point must be bound with bind by before calling this command. Draw index. Shader enabled. Am I missing something else? Okay, maybe the pointers doesn't work. Wait. How am I then calling the pointers here? Let's see. Because this should just be... self is a... Do I have to dereference once? Doesn't make sense. That's an optional pointer, right? And then this thing is just... well, that's just a pointer. Bind should be binding, and if it doesn't, well, then I should use the previous one. You should always have something bound. I wonder, should I maybe I might have to use GDB, but I'm just trying different things. Let's see. I don't even know how to use this properly. I just need which one is faster. I just need to check a simple thing. LDB or GDB for quickly loading up a project and quickly inspect a value. Since the LDB feels faster for quickly loading a project, poking GDB heavier but battle tested. Well, it has connected, but just doesn't. Ah, there, disconnected, process exited. What the fuck? Okay, maybe something didn't work their way. Let's try GTP then. Take out binary planetary signal. And then just run it. Ah, yes. And. Okay, could I just shut up the breakpoint?
That's breakpoint.
Yeah. Add a breakpoint. Not responding. Terminate. Point to a specific location in a file or function. Oh no. In GDB. I'm going with GDB apparently. Break, render sig. Okay, you can do that. Okay. Just B and then okay. Okay. Break my function. Okay. So I should be able to just then go here and say 723 sp ren. You have to provide. Oh no. Renderer sig colon 724. It's just that simple. Weird. 723. No compile code for line 17 render sig. Make breakpoint pending on future. Yes. Don't know, maybe this is not right. From being debugged has been started already. Start again. Yes. Okay, obviously it did not work. I shouldn't do that. Okay. The breakpoint is in a SO. My function. Just function? Okay. So then we want this thing. Break this and just that. Yes. Wait. I don't know if yes was default. I think breakpoint 2, and then b info. No. Info breakpoints. Yeah. Okay. So keep enabled b dash h help to add. That's a shot. No. Help B. Right. Delete breakpoint. Delete bookmark from the bookmark list. type return for more queue for quit to continue without quit. Okay. So I should be able to just do delete. Should be able to do that. Delete. Bookmark. And then what do I call it? What? Just render dot sig. What the hell do I call this one? Or do I just delete all of them? Breakpoints. Delete all breakpoints. Yes, and then we added back that one. Yes, and then if I do breakpoints, that should be the only thing. Then I can say run, and then yes, and let's see, it should. No? Interesting. I don't know then, that's weird. Trouble isn't breaking because it still hasn't solved a pending break, but that happens there, so the symbol isn't loaded yet, or the symbol named debug isn't. If it should be loaded, but DL open, force to stop when it loads. Sig out lib render, it should be there. Yep. So why do I not break there? And see it because this it's not true. It's render draw. Ah, I have to do this.
Yo.
Yo, what's up?
Oh, welcome! Welcome!
Welcome,
Are
welcome.
you up for some super tax card with null and anti? I think they're both.
Yeah, sure.
I can't play longbow. Not a pseudo train today.
Yeah, that's alright.
You might quickly tell them maybe they're coming here, maybe. We'll see. Should we stay in this PC or should we go up?
We can go up so we don't disturb Lucas.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't disturb me and Lucas.
Yeah.
We're busy.
Lucas, good luck. By the
Thank
way,
you.
How are the models? Are you finished with them now?
Yeah, no, I'm just improving the render. Actually, I'm improving the rendering right now, and like trying to I'm supposed to clean it up, but yeah, that's I'm having some issues, so I'm trying to figure that out with GDB. Print variable render obj.
Intern!
Okay. So wait, I can just do that?
Intern's still on vacation.
Yeah, sadly. No symbol. What the fuck? How can I just... Info locals, that's what I want. No locals. Great, 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 great. I just need to wait to see all of them so I can see frame. Right. There seems to be something, but... Where? Yeah. Or BT. Same thing. Frame, then check frame. Do one next. Cannot remove breakpoint because program is no longer writable. Oh shit. Did I just info local? Yeah, no symbol table. Yeah, okay, I think yeah. The thing just died probably. Okay, we'll not do this then. Wait. Okay, damn it. Okay, I will have to do this. std debug print cib. Actually, I could do a simple one where it's just okay. This I'm not gonna write those strings. Joshua, I'm new to your channel. Hello, welcome. This is gonna be way easier to do in AI, so I don't have to write this. Can you write prints for the variables render for all that starts with last, including the self dot last? Then I don't have to worry about printing. I can literally just copy paste the prints in there. Let's see. Debug. Wow, look how fancy it did them. I didn't want them that. Maybe it's easier actually to debug with a little bit more fancy shit. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so that's for each of every one of them, and then for. So every time it gets in, okay, that's actually pretty good. And then for every time you go through here, and then one more time, I think. No? Well, that would actually be kind of nice. I don't know about that one I can do manually. My iPad lagged, lol. No worries. Actually, my stream is actually kind of delayed or broken because I have shitty internet or something, you know? What am I making? I'm trying to do an actual game, and right now I'm just working on loading GLTF models, or actually what are they called? Objects, GLB, and through this thing. So yeah, let's see, draw geometry, last pipeline like the stick, and then it should always on the first iteration update this immediately. I don't keep track of. I will just do an int. I will do a var count is equal to 0, and then I will do after the print. I will do count plus equals 1, and then I should have for all of these just. I didn't know you could do it like this. This is crazy. Count, and then I will just say thing. That's a D. And then we'll go here and we'll say count, like so. And of course, that's the wrong order. Can I just like so? No field name, last descriptor, self-render. Okay, I think it had a little bit of a stroke here. I saw your recent video. Yeah, it's laggy. I just heard a voice line you said like 3 minutes ago. What? Damn. Thank you. What did you think about the latest video? Did you like it, or? Last index buffer is what I want here. Oh wait, I'm doing this in the wrong spot. Oops, my bad. How did I mess this up? No, wait. No, this is correct. Wait. Material pipeline. These things are correct, but then we want the index buffer. I don't know what the fuck. Index buffer. Like so. Variable comp time must be okay. I32 is fine. Can I print? Maybe I should do a use size just in case. Right. Like so. Let's see. And we can actually just, let's see, draw geometry here. Whoa, is that little? Yeah, because it's not actually that complicated. So it does go through the first one. Okay. Back. Are you making a VR game or a normal PC game? I'm making a normal PC game. A VR game, I just needed to learn kind of like how they worked. But I'm like, I want faster iterations, and I'm still like very new to making engines and stuff. So I was like, yeah, no, I'm not doing that again. Maybe sometimes later when I actually have a firm grasp on how things actually works. But it was such a pain to debug something, and most of the time if you want to test if something works, you have to put on the headset, the controllers, try stuff out. It's way easier just to run like simulations in a 3D game and see if it works right or not. Or the way I'm trying to make my own kind of game, well, engine, the engine is the byproduct, is to have like I could just tweak values and save like states and then replay them, and I don't have to like go in and do anything. I can just run a state over and over again, tweak values, and I can see them. You forgot to turn off your PC earlier from playing PC VR. That's crazy. I'm only gonna be live for like 27 more minutes. Then I will have to go. I have a call. So yeah, just so you know. Yeah, let's see. I actually would like to probably do a panic in the first, because it does go and update all of these every time. Does it? No, wait, actually I just realized that I need to do... Okay, I'm doing this wrong. Count. No, I'm doing this right. Hold on. Yeah, but that's for every iteration. That's not if the material changed. I should take the material. Yeah. Yeah, we'll do that. We can actually do this. We can yank this. We can also put it in here. Like so. And then we can do another one over here. And then we just save it quickly. And another thing we can do, just to make things a little bit nicer, let's put another... Can I do a new line like that? Is that okay? Like so. And then I will do another thing, just this, and I will call the 0, so I know that's the first. Then we will do this one, and then we'll do this one. Alright. And I forgot to panic. It's okay. And this is still... it wasn't... They didn't get a new line. Damn it. Okay, good to know, good to know. We can just do another one of those. We can actually yank the line. We can go up here, paste it there, and then go one more higher and paste it there. We can actually also move that. Okay, what genre game are you doing? There's 3 people and I'm only one talking. Yeah, it's mainly just me yapping here, trying to figure out what the hell I'm doing, figure out what I'm doing wrong most of the time. So yeah, unless if something cool happens, but it's okay. It's probably like still better. It's more content for you guys to watch if I get to struggle, I guess, than just talk. I think I'm gonna do a panic here right after. Maybe not. Maybe I will do it after the first run. Let's first run it one time just to see. I think I can get a lot of information from this. But yeah, the game. I try to avoid talking about what the game will be for the first, like, until I have actually gotten it to work right. So the first draw geometry. Oh, this is the last one. Okay, that's fine. I know if this is the last one, it's fine that it's fucked. Actually, it's fine. I should probably have denoted that as well. Anyways, you get in first. Count is 0. It goes to the second stage, and count is 1. Okay, there could be already the first issue. Okay, I need to see one more thing then, actually. Which could tell me what's actually going on over here. Let's see. We will do a std debug print, and we'll just say opaque surfaces. Yeah, that's perfect. And then we will do another one, which is transparent surfaces, like so. And that should, right, I still need to do one more thing. Oh shit. Like so. Okay. And I think I'm gonna do a panic. I will do a panic immediately after the first draw. This is such a messy way to do it, but it's fine. I just needed to. So we will go through here. That's the watcher, and then here we do the render draw camera. We will draw everything, and then I will just do a if. We can. I don't need to do. I can just do a panic here because this is still fine. And then we'll say lol xd, and panic there. Very good. Let's see. So panicked. So opaque surfaces, that makes sense. We get in. All of these are null. 0. And then the render, this one has valid structures. The count is 0. Yikes. Count is where do I increment the count? Don't tell me I did it in there. Same. Okay, I need to. Then it could make sense that I'm seeing the wrong thing. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. No. It's actually correct. I'm just stupid. I could do a pose. Nah, I'm gonna do it here like this. Okay. Let's try again. The genre of the game, it's gonna be roguelike. That's kind of the, yeah, that's gonna be the thing. I like those games. Okay, we get null. All of these things are valid. Count 0. We go in there. Okay, good. And then the second one. And I think we didn't have a third. So that's actually pretty good. I don't know. As I see it, this should actually be valid then. Because we should assign everything. Let's actually then do this. I'm gonna take. I need to also print these values. Okay, so we're gonna take this from here. We're gonna do another print. Because maybe I'm just assigning them incorrectly then. And I'm just gonna say. What do I call this one? -1? Yeah, I'm gonna call it -1. Lol. What other people code games? What the hell? That looks like random. Let the. What? Letters and numbers. No. It's I guess SIG it's the SIG programming language. It's very nice. In the beginning it looks like just a mess, but after that it's actually really nice. Once you get used to it's like modern. Okay, but okay, look here. Now it's all right. Now it's a valid pointer or a valid handle, but that doesn't. I do not understand. And why would why is it even complaining? If it goes into these functions, these things should not even be called. Then in that case, wait, it's not even complaining. Is it complaining later? Okay, what the fuck? Sorry. Okay, I'm so confused now. This doesn't make any sense. Okay, I'm gonna run it twice. Seconds per update seconds. So I'm just gonna do an if here. Accumulated time. I think I have just time. If time, that should probably be a U size. By the way, if time is larger than or equal to 5 times 2 times just 2 times seconds update, then we'll do this one. So now it should do 2 iterations, and I still don't get any validation layers. Okay, what if... Okay, we'll increase it to...
We need those layers, boys. Come on.
Because it does have issues, I swear. Am I just hallucinating at this point?
Yeah, fucking Lucas hallucinating.
Yeah, for real. Wait, let me just quickly. It's 5 iterations are also fine. Okay, I swear. So, wait, no, I swear I'm not hallucinating. Okay, this is not gonna become freaking unreadable. if I run it like this, so I have to. Oh god, I'm gonna do it the most nastiest way I know. But I swear it had issues. Okay, I'm not joking here. Maybe I have issues the way I do the prints, but let's see. Let's try this. Look. Ah, wrong. Look. I told you. Here they are. Transparent. Okay, wait. So it is in the transparent that it happens. I knew it, and but that's why I keep the references, so it shouldn't have these problems, unless. Damn it. Letters and number. When I make game, I don't even know how to code. Who's that in the background? Yeah, it's Damon. Say hi, Damon.
Hola.
Well, yeah, he said hi. I have Discord also open for if anyone wants to join, but you cannot talk. It's people with special permissions. So, but I usually just hang out in the voice chat. So if you join there and just join normally and talk, you usually get permission to also talk during live stream. That's just safety measurements. All right. But yeah. Yeah, I Damon? Hi Damon. He said Damon.
Yep.
He said Damon instead of A, he said O. That's great. I'm just gonna it's like that, Damon. But it's okay. You can call him by Dame. I don't know, how do you pronounce it? Do you pronounce it differently if you just replace your O with an A? D-man? Damon. Oh, okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. I think I misspelled Damon's name the first time I heard his name, Demon. So he didn't do as bad as me. Yeah. But this doesn't make sense. Why would it? Unless, oh, I know why. I think I might know why. Okay, we don't need these prints anymore. They were nicely generated by AI, but you know, now I don't need them anymore. I think now I won't need them anymore because everything is fine here. It's I just wanted to do a little sanity check that I actually understand what the fuck this if statement mean, and I do know what they mean. So that's what all I wanted to know. Now I know the problem is that I'm not giving the right information to the GLTF, or that's my next assumption, right? Because I don't think I'm doing the transparent materials correctly in here, how I'm assigning them. Like, wait, let's see. I go through each material. Do I have to go through the opaque, rough? Aha! I think it's this. Because if I should actually have a GLTF, shouldn't I have one that is... let's see. Because if I go here to the right, roughness material, right? Go to here. Yeah. Wait, no. This is if it's pass material pass type. If why do I do it? The fuck. Whatever. Okay. So I'm checking if the pass is transparent. Then I do this thing, a transparent pipeline, as I do an opaque one. So we should be fine. But now I'm starting to doubt that it's fine. Wait, just the... I don't have even an STD in here. Ah, come on, you're kidding. Don't I? No, I don't. I never... Well, that would be a good thing to have either way, so I'm gonna add it. Const STD is equal to @import and CIB. That's not CIB, that's CIB. STD. And then we can go down to the bottom and we can go in here, and then I will also add here now std.debug print add a transparent pipeline. Sure. Right, and I always forget that one. Thank God for this compiling stuff. Okay, great. And then we'll still go back to the main, and I will literally just, on the first one, just panic, because I just need to see that it actually adds the back the things. So, well, it does add the transparent pipelines. And it does. It's just, is it on the second iteration that it's, wait, God, please, why? This is so weird. Because now again, I'm doing like, okay, there, good. So it's on the second iteration. So it added, it ran, and then it also rendered, and it's the second time it tries to do the opaque that it fucks up for some, or the transparent, like, no, it doesn't even get to the transparent, it's messing up on the opaque surfaces. Okay, a valid pipeline binding point graphics pipeline must be bound with VK binding pipeline before calling this command, VK draw index. Okay, the Vulkan spec states, if the shader object feature is not enabled, valid pipeline must bound the pipeline binding point used by the command. Okay, what could I possibly be doing wrong? Because it should always update in the case if something is or has changed. Material. I do check the material first. I go through each of one of these, and if the material is not the same as the last material used, I will update the material to be using this material, and then I will do the same for the pipeline. Oh, could it be? But it should be using different material and pipelines for opaque and transparent textures. So this one should always reset. Or, I mean, I guess I could do this, which would be, I genuinely dislike this, if this is the way I will have to do it, because I shouldn't have to do it this way. But then the problem is still that I'm not loading the transparent ones correctly. Then if this will fix it, right? So if I just put it back to null, the last material every time, because then I'm just thinking, because I ran a few tests earlier where it didn't update for the transparent, and then it could be using, okay, let's see, and I don't need to, I don't know, if it still, it will panic, but yeah, no errors. And now if I just go back to the main and I just comment this out and we run it again, no problems. Okay, yeah, so it is that, and don't worry about that free. I will keep that. I might actually need that too in the future. This is so pathetic, actually. To do fix your shit. Fix your shit. Your shot. Oh my gosh. Fix your shit. Okay. Your I'm just gonna say transparent pipelines are broken. I just know it is, okay? Trust me on this one. But I'm not gonna fix it because oh wait, I accidentally removed the thing I was supposed to keep. I'm not gonna fix it, I'm just gonna leave it as that, because that's a temporarily very good fix. Don't care. Right? Very nice, look at that, boom. Added transparent pipe. It does add them, which is good, but I don't understand why it's... Well, I think one reason you could see why it doesn't work is because these things here, which isn't rendering ordering, okay, I'm supposed to order those things, but this thing is actually supposed to have a bit of transparency right now. The thing that you're seeing here, it's supposed to be a window, but it's not, obviously. So and the reason why it's not is we could go actually to magenta there, It's just some weird bit shifting order here because this should be red, green, blue, alpha, but for some reason it's not. It's actually it's wrong. I don't know if it's the return value that is wrong. Wait, where's the bit shift in this one? Shit, I have to go in 8 minutes. Okay, wait. Here, to U38, right? If I shift this by 24 bits. Shouldn't it put it... Am I mistaken? 24... Shouldn't this put this one at the... Or am I actually stupid? Is this wrong? No, because you shouldn't... Or should this one just be the... Am I dumb? I cannot be this time. It cannot... No, I think I'm pretty right. But now I'm starting to doubt myself, okay? Let's see, now it should be wrong. What the fuck? Represent an integer, blah blah blah. Okay, type U3 cannot represent integer value. What did I do? Oh. What? Ah, whoops, my bad. Like so. And that should be almost fine. You also need another parenthesis. Like so, oopsie daisy. So, now we're very happy. Let's see. Okay, no, that did not make it. No. Okay. So is then it's supposedly, yeah. Okay, so I think this is still more right then. This is still right, but the problem is just that this RGBA, it should be RBGA. I know we say RBGA everything else, but for some reason I think it's the other way around. Like this R. Is it? And then B. No, wait. A, yeah. G. R. Wait, let's see. I think that was the... Let's see. Yeah, now it's correct. It should be magenta, like that. That's the color should be. And you may say, but that doesn't look at all to be matching the thing. Well, that's the point, because it's supposed to be a checkerboard with magenta and black, and not whatever the fuck the other thing was. And yeah, now it's correct, because that's my correct texture for texture not found. Yeah, that is cool, I guess, but not really. I don't know. So there's two things wrong. Either it's the transparent pipeline, and then I think I'm using the wrong Indian format for my colors. But I don't know if it's... Okay, this is actually not my math library, it's one of my friends. Am I just really stupid? Of course, when he's saying something important, that there's an... So yeah, sorry guys, I got monetized like today, and I was like, whoa, and
Hey,
yeah,
advertisement.
yeah, exactly. And now I'm like, so how does this thing work? So
It's YouTube does the ad thing. It just puts them in it.
okay.
But I think they get I think they get ads either way. But like it's less common, I think. But now you get a portion of it.
Okay. Yeah, but this should be like this structure
There
should
definitely ads before.
Oh, there was? Damn. Okay, but yeah,
Yeah,
now
you
there's...
just didn't get your cut.
Oh damn. Now I'm getting a cut. Hell yeah, nice. But yeah, this is RGB, right?
I'll cut you.
Oh, okay. Wait. Yeah, RGB. It is disorder. It's little end. This is little endian.
RGBA.
Yeah. And this should be fine, but for some reason when I try to convert them, it's like, fuck them, it ain't fine. I'm like, why are you not fine? Man, I must be stupid. I must be so freaking stupid. Why is this not correct? Or this is the correct way, where I put alpha at the... At the beginning of the block, right? But I don't know if it matters. Wait, what? Little, big, endian. What? How do you think? The most significant bit. Little and big end. So this, I don't know what way you're supposed to think about it. Bro, the Minecraft music jump scared me. It sounded like it was coming from behind me. Sorry, I have music. I don't even hear the music. I just have it for you guys, to be honest. I hope it's okay. At least people said that there should be music, so I added music. But I program better without music. I don't understand how this can be fucked. Or it's not fucked. This way is correct, but for me I don't understand why this is the correct way, because it shouldn't be. This should be the wrong way, because now I have alpha in the first memory segment. And I shouldn't. I should have the red. That's why it's called RGBA. It's not... But now it's ABGR. And that's weird. That's so strange. Okay, I need to actually go. I never get to do anything because I'm always just fixing wrong things, but yeah. Okay, I need to go. Thank you for this 1 short hour. I have been quite busy today. My sister visited, so I blame her, alright? Because, you don't need music, to be honest? Okay. Thank you, fun guy, Shadow fun guy. But yeah. Wait, now I'm confused. Is the thing you build an item or building? I'm just doing rendering still, like, just trying to figure out why things are not being rendered properly. That's what I'm trying to do. It's not something I built. You could still do things in Blender and get it in here, but yeah. Join the Discord if you want to talk more. I'm gonna have to go. I'm streaming every day, at least 1 hour. That's the goal. Minimum, alright? But yeah, thank you for joining. Bye bye.